Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I have some little helpers today. I have, who's this? Cheesy and Fishy. We have got a subscription box and it is Babacorn bricks. It is a Lego subscription box. It is amazing. I have a discount code which I will link down below for you. We've had this many times before. Babacorn bricks is a family run business. The story behind the business is amazing. I really urge you to go and have a look. We have become friends with them over the years. They have sent us these for free to review. The girls absolutely love these boxes, don't you?
Yeah.
So if you have a child or a grown-up in your life that loves Lego, I would definitely recommend these boxes.
What? There's another layer.
There's another layer.
I forgot.
Yeah, we're going to jump in. Right, let's have a look. Every month there's a theme.
That is Lego Batman.
Lego Batman. And it's all, everything is hand wrapped. It's all done by the family, and I just think it's really lovely. So it says your monthly brick fix direct to your door.
Yeah.
And there's, you get a little thing. So it's food, glorious food is this month one. And it tells you all the different things you get. So I will start getting them out. And then...
Glorious food.
Right, okay, so we've got, what is this? A Lego Friends. This is food, Ari, don't touch food, glorious food. This is, that's Stephanie, is it? Food, glorious food, a food theme, which is $6.95. So, do you want to build that?
Yeah.
Or do you want to build that? You build that then, okay. We've got...
Can I build that one?
Wait a sec, I've got to find out where it is.
Yes, it's Lego dots.
Lego dots. So you get one item that is chosen just for you, which I think is this. I think is this one. I'm not 100% sure. Let me look. Yeah, so this is the one. So you get all these items on it, and then you get one here, which is a mystery one chosen specifically because you'll put in the name of the age of the child or what gender the child is. So that is a Lego dots thing. So you might have to go and sit on the floor and do that. I'll start unboxing the rest, and then when the girls are done, we'll come back and show you what we've got. So we've got a little apple, which is really cute, a little Lego apple. And then you get 4 to 5 minifigures inside. I'm going to build this one. I can't be trusted to build Lego. I am. Oh, how bad is Mummy at building Lego?
Not bad.
I am bad, baby.
Bit bad.
Bit bad. She's trying to be nice, but I am rubbish at Lego. Can't even put this dude's head on properly. Go get some scissors in the kitchen. Oh, see, this is a little chef. Oh, he's cute.
Can I see him?
He's really cute.
Kind of it.
Look. Here's a little chef. Super cute. So he came inside the apple. Let me put him on the side. I have got, oh my goodness, what are they? Funky crisp packet tile accessories. Oh, look, they're literally like little tiny bags of crisps that you can sort of incorporate into your Lego. Look at that, Mika. We have got, oh, this is a build your own picnic blanket and accessories. I'm loving these little packets. It used to be in like little baggies, but I'm loving these this packaging on this. It's really cool. What else have we got? We've got some lollies. And then we have got some little packet things, and I think there's going to be more figures in here. Let me look. Ooh. Oh, and we've got some stickers. So we've got the Babacorn bricks stickers. Let Mummy try and build this person. Which one do you go on? I think you go on there. I'm so bad at building stuff.
They made a little rolling pin.
I've only got one head. So I've got a little dude here. Dude. And then I've got another one here. I've got a banana and some hats. We'll put that in there. And then what have we got in here? Oh my god, there's so much Lego on my floor right now. What are you? Oh, I've got an owl.
An owl? Oh, I want to make
What, a little, no, it's a little owl figure. Look, a little owl.
Oh.
And then this is a little pizza man. Oh, I've just dropped something. This is a little pizza man, I think. What are you? That's a pizza.
This is hard to make.
Oh, this is funny. We've got a little pizza delivery man. I've got a little angry pizza delivery man. Look at him. And then he comes with a little pizza as well. So that is what is in the box. The girls are down here making theirs. When they are finished, we will come back and show you what we've made. Right, Mika's done.
I made the little pizza oven and pizza making table. Oops.
But she's just dropped all over there.
Oh, bum holes. I see it.
Mika, you just said bum holes on a video. Considering how much I swear, bum holes is good. She doesn't say any naughty words, but I do love the fact that you just said bum holes on a video. Yeah, she's made a little pizza bench and then a little pizza oven.
With a rolling pin.
And it's got the pizza peel here. That's really cool. She likes these as well, don't you, Mika?
Yeah.
The little crisp packets. Aria is still going with her dots thing, so we'll show you that in a minute. Ari's finished her dots thing. Look, it's a bunny. You love the dot stuff, don't you? This is my favourite thing that they do in Lego. It's so cute.
Lego dots.
That is so cool. We love that. You're going to put it in the box? So yeah, that was the subscription box. It's so cool. The girls love it every single time. So what do you guys need to say to Babacorn Bricks?
Thank you.
Thank you so much for sending it to them. They're always really excited. And I'll leave all the links down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I love you. Bye.